YouTube? I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna do something that I'm probably gonna regret, especially since at the time of the recording it is in the evening and there are literally no lights on, so this is probably gonna be a mistake. Today I'm gonna be watching some SCP Realized EAS crap. First one that we're going to be watching is Do Not Find Him. This may be a bug from, like, my device, but it says analog horror, but the thumbnail is just a weird Waldo thing. Before we start on this, I would like you to like and subscribe, because I really do not want to be known for 99 Nights in the Forest challenges, okay? Anyways, let's get started.
And shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech.
Where's Waldo? Whoa!
Greetings! Heard about my new spaghetti?
Please remain calm. Pay close attention.
No.
Your life is in danger. An anomalous humanoid may or may not be near you.
Wait, hold on. But before we continue, let me raise the quality really fast.
This humanoid resembles the main
Seriously?
character. You know the specific location of this anomaly at any time. It will terminate you.
Oh.
Do not look outside, as if you see the anomaly, you will know its location and it will terminate you. Do not think about where any unusual noises you hear are coming from. Thinking about the location may trigger the anomaly. Try to clear your mind of any specific location. Find a relaxing and engaging activity to distract you.
Oh, well, that
Try
easy.
not to.
You're both grounded. Get up to your room right now. Totally worth it. Hey guys.
Subscribe to King Zippy.
When a victim becomes aware of the anomaly's location, one of two scenarios will occur. If the anomaly is close to a victim, it will approach them and climb into them through the mouth, exiting the body through the pelvis, destroying the body in the process.
Oh. Well,
If the
that...
anomaly is far from a victim, it will walk into the nearest wall. Then, it will appear inside the subject and climb out of them through the mouth, destroying the body. The situation will be brought under control soon.
Okay.
Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Secure. Contain. Protect.
So apparently to survive this anomaly, I have to not find Waldo? Okay. Oh, what the... This next one will be Home Invaders. It seems to be intruders. I am so not good at this.
If you or a loved one are experiencing any of the following symptoms: extreme paranoia, restlessness.
I just dropped my cat on the ground. I am so sorry. Okay? I did not mean to do that. I'm just trying to focus on something else here. Just please stop coming up here.
Discolored eyes, discolored hands, infestation, elongated arms.
Oh. What the f-
If you think a home invader is in your home, follow these steps for optimal civic safety. The home invader has two states, active and passive. Not take action which will activate the invader. Do not attempt to leave your home. Do not raise your voice or shout. Do not run or move erratically. Do not attack the home invader. Do not touch the home invader. If the home invader speaks to you, do not respond.
When you plan to.
What to do if a home invader appears in your home? Stay calm and move slowly and carefully. Find a hiding place in a high room in your home. Stay in the hiding place, stay quiet, and wait.
Okay.
The invader may grow bored and leave your home.
Grow bored?
Bring food and
Okay.
water with you, as this may take days.
Series of events. Alright, let's see them. Day 1. Home invaders manifest in 557 homes in blank. Emergency message for identifying invaders broadcast. Day 1 to 2. Home invaders kill 493 individuals. Home invaders activation triggers understood. Day 4, my cat is up here again. Day 3, second emergency broadcast. Day 4, third party takes responsibility for containment. Day 5 to 8, sequence of events unclear. Day 9, third party declares situation under control. That's what you plan, but that you don't know if that's what's actually gonna happen. Okay, so there's one thing that I'm gonna want to talk about. The mouth part. Yeah. No, dude, no. Okay. Editor, freeze it on that part to show the viewers what I'm talking about, because that is
super abnormal.
All right. This next one is called When Day Breaks.
There are your slippers, and there! Take your slippers, and may you never have a day's luck with them.
Huh? Okay, I gotta figure that was a little broadcast. I get interrupted. Well, okay. Severe unknown event. Warning. Areas involved: mainland, USA, Hawaii, U.S. territories, U.S. minor outlying islands, neighboring nations, other nations. Message expires at Morse code. Why'd you put it in Morse code? Okay. You think I can understand Morse code?
Emergency message from the SCP Foundation on behalf of the federal U.S. government will now begin. Please comply with the following instructions.
You really thought I didn't see that? Well, you'd be wrong. What was that? Go outside now, the sun is so beautiful, it's a bright sunny day, don't waste the day inside. I probably would no matter if there was a thing or not.
Why don't you just go and touch some grass?
You must stay inside. Do not let the sunlight touch you. Wear thick clothing. Don't listen to people outside. They aren't who they say. Oh no. An anomaly of unknown nature has altered the sun. The sunlight exposure will now permanently alter your physical and mental state. Stay inside. Do not be dragged or lured outside. Under no circumstances should you allow yourself to be exposed to sunlight or moonlight. Do not attempt self-termination at this time. Even dead flesh may be exposed to the sunlight and transformed. If an individual who has been in the sunlight tries to enter your home, hide from them. If you cannot hide, attempt to repel them. Hold on. Wait. What? I'm dumb. What's the definition to repel? I'm pretty dumb, so I don't know what that means. 1. Exposure. 2. Transformation. Oh, what the? Oh! What the heck is that? That looks like merging. Whoa! Wait, what? What?
Pepto-Bismol.
The joys of oh my god! What the heck was that? Alright guys, so that was all of the SCP Realized videos that we're going to be looking at today. Happy Halloween everybody, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys at the start of November. Deuces.